equals to r meter and area is half r square meter. Now, when you use these two formula, you must be careful. Theta must be in what? Radians. It cannot be in degrees. Everybody clear? Okay, what does it mean? When I have a circle, this is r, this is theta. This is the distance or the arc length. S is r theta. Understand? Okay? And if I want to find the area of this sector, the area of the sector is half r square theta. Okay, no need to do anything, but you must make sure theta is in what? Radians. Then you can use this particular formula. If it's not in radians, then you use the theta over 361 times 2 pi r for arc length, then times pi r squared for sector. Everybody clear? Can or cannot? Can, huh? Okay. Now, if you turn to page 89, that's the one that they have. S equals to r theta. That's it. Okay, can you see that where theta, the angle, is in radians, subtended by the arc at the center of the circle of radius r. Everybody clear? So that's the first one. Okay. Now, I'm going on to example 11. Okay, let us now look at example 11. This is O, A, Q, B, ACM. This is pi over 6 pi, sorry, 5 over 6 pi radians. Okay? Now, I want all of you to look at example 11. No talking, please. You want to see the back again? No. Make it a mouth shut. Okay. Let's take a look at this question. In the figure, O is the center of the circle of radius 8 cm and angle AOB is 5 over 6 pi radians. Find the length of the minor arc APB. All of you look here. Stop it now, George. Now, I want to find the length of the minor arc APB. There is this one, right? The green color one, right? Correct. So, length of arc APB will be r theta. Okay? Everybody okay? That means this will be 8 times 5 over 6 pi. Can you see it? Can all of you key in for me? What's this value? Like truncate, please. What's the value? This one? 9.43. Is this correct? So this will be a 20.9 cm straight away. Can you see? How come I can do r theta? Because this guy is in radians. Okay? Now next part, part 2. The perimeter of the major sector OAQB. Now, they want the perimeter OAQB. They want the perimeter of this. I want everybody to look up. The perimeter of this is 8 plus 8 plus this up. Can you see what I'm talking about? Okay. How to get this angle? How to get the angle? Okay, very good. I know the answer. You must say reflex angle AOB, right? Will be 2 pi minus talking, right? You just get out of the class. I'm sick and tired of telling you to stop talking. Answer? 40.321. Okay, so the answer will be 45.3 cm. Are we clear about this?
Yeah.
Are we clear about this? Okay, so we have already finished up example 11. Are we okay? Absolutely clear? Okay, next we go on to example 12. Before example 12, can you look at page 91? Can you see the area is equal to half r squared theta? The formula is also given there. Can you see? Now I'm going on to example 12. You read the question first, while I draw the diagram on the board. Okay. Take a look at question number in the example 12 there. So this is the circle, center O, 6 here. This is 0.9 radians. Can you see? Okay, Now, then they tell you is OAB. Okay. Okay, the question says, A and B lie on a circle with center O and radius 6 cm. Given that angle AOB is 0.9 radians, find the area of the minor sector. Area of minor sector means this one, right? Correct. So, area of minor sector will be half r squared theta. Can you see? You don't need to write that, just substitute in carefully. Half r squared theta. Okay. How about you gain this? 5 from gate.
16.2.
Okay? 18.16. Okay? 16.1. Exact, is it? Okay, very good. 16.2 cm square, right? Everybody clear? Okay, next part. The area of the major sector. Now, actually major sector for this one, you don't need to get 2 pi minus this. Just take the whole circle, minus or minor, you'll get the major, right? Can you see what I'm talking about here? Yes or no? So area of major will be pi 6 square minus 16.2, right? Because it's an exact answer. Is that correct? Okay, can you keep for me now? What's this answer? Answer? 96.897. So this will be a 96.9 cm square, right? Now, what if you want to use half r squared theta?
Oh my god.
Can you tell me what will be this angle? 2 pi minus 0.9. Can all of you take 2 pi minus 0.9? All of you, now. What's 2 pi minus 0.9? Must be 5 from it, what is it? 5 point, okay? Okay? Start. 5 point, you must put 5.3831. Understand? Then you use half r squared theta, it will be the same answer. If you don't believe me, let's try. Half r squared theta, 5.3831. Can you hit this? 96.895. So can you see it's just 96.9 as well. Okay? Now, how come there's this discrepancy here? This one is the exact answer, right? Whereas this one is I truncate already. So there will be bound to be some And I want all of you to keep your mouth shut. Okay. Next part, example 13. Alright. They give you a sector like that. Okay. They say this is equal to this. O, C, A. This is the shaded region. This is 0.85 radians. This is 8 cm. Okay? Everybody clear? Okay, now let's take a look at the question here. In the figure, OAB is a sector of a circle with center O and radius 8 cm. P is the midpoint of OA and angle AOB is 0.85 radians. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay, I want everyone to look up here. Can you see this is radius, OB? That means OA is also radius, right? And this is the midpoint. So how much will this be? How much will it be? 4 cm. Good. Can you see? Now, how do I find area of the shaded region? Can you tell me what do I do? Find area of sector minus area of triangle, right? Can you see what I'm talking about? Okay, how to find area of sector? All of you look up. I'm going to say something here that's important. Area of shaded region will be half r squared meter, am I right? This is the whole sector, right? Minus, now, how do I find area of this triangle? It's half AB sine C, right? Even if the angle is in radian, I can still use half AB sine C. But you must make sure your calculator is in the radian mode. Is that clear? Minus half 4A sine 0.85. Now, this one you put 0.85 with no degrees. Is that understood? Okay, now I'm going to key in this one straight away. All of you key in. Answer? 18. 15.179. So the answer will be 15.2 cm squared. Are we clear? Are we clear with it? Everybody okay so far? Can or cannot? Can, huh? Okay. Then I'm going on to the last example, and that is example 14. Okay? Example 14. Okay. Now, Caleb, sit up straight. So, can you see what I'm talking about here? The angle can be in radians or degrees. Now, when you use half AB sine C, you must remember to change the mode of the calculator. If not, you get the wrong answer. Everybody clear? Okay, now, I'm going on to the last example. Example 14. Can you look at this particular question? A, B, C, O, 3.6 meter, 3.6 meter. This is a 2.2 radians. That's all right. Okay? Now, class, I know you are tired, okay? But my lesson still must go on. It doesn't mean that you're tired, I stop my lesson. Then the whole year I don't need to have lesson. Can you sit up straight? Okay. Let's take a look at this question. The figure figure shows the major segment ABC representing the cross-section of a train tunnel with center O and radius 3.6 meters, such that angle AOC is 2.2 radians. Show that AC is approximately 6.42 meters. Okay, all of you look up. They want to show this is exact, approximately how many, right? Now, can you see I have two sides and one equal angle? I can use cosine rule, right? Everybody clear? So, I will add part 1. AC squared is 3.6 squared plus 3.6 squared minus 2, 3.6, 3.6, cosine 2.2, right? Am I right now? So, my AC will be the square root of this one, right? Can all of you key give me the 5 truncate? Five truncate. All of you key in and give me the 5 truncate. Okay? No, I say square root of this. I already say AC. I want AC. I don't want AC squared.
6.4166.
6.416. 6. Is this correct? 5 truncate, right? Then it will be 6.41. Sure. Is that clear? Now, in O levels, you must show this step, then this step, you know. If not, no marks out, because you don't know how to round off. Everybody clear? You cannot formula straight away, you give this. No. Now, then, what if you cannot show this? Can you still use 6.42 for the next part? The answer is yes. It doesn't matter. But if you can show, right, you cannot use 6.42, right? You must use 6.4166. Everybody clear with what I'm saying? Can or cannot? So there are two ways to do it. Okay? Alright, now let's take a look at the next part. Find the length of the major arc ABC, giving your answer in terms of pi. Now, they want to find the length of the major arc ABC, give your answer in terms of pi. That means you don't work out anything, you leave it in pi. Now, what is the angle here? Do you all agree? 2 pi minus 2.2, right? So, length of major arc is R theta 2 pi minus 2.2, correct? S equals to R theta. Okay, they say leave it in terms of pi. So this is what? 7.2 pi minus what? Minus what? 3.6 plus this? 7.92, exact, is it? So the length is this one cm, right? Do you understand what I'm talking about here? This is called in terms of pi. That means don't substitute anything for pi. Okay, last part. Find the area of the cross section of the tunnel, that is area of the major segment ABC. Now, if I want to find the area of the whole tunnel, can you tell me what must I find? I must find the area of the major sector, right? Plus what? I want to find the whole thing. So I must find this major sector plus this triangle, right? Everybody okay? Yes or no? Okay, area of whole tunnel. Okay, how do I get this area? How? A, B, sine what? 2.2, right? Plus, how do I get area of this sector? Half R squared theta, right? Everybody clear? So this will be half R squared. Now the theta is 2 pi minus 2.2, right? Correct. Can all of you key in this one straight away? 26.459. So the answer is 26.5 meters squared. Oh, how come the answer is wrong? Huh? But this answer is not correct. Okay, copy. Did you change the mode to radians? Key it again. Answer? 30? 31. 31.698. So it's 31.7 meters squared. Got key copy or didn't? You key the wrong one now. Okay. Exam don't key the wrong one. Are we okay now? Are we okay now? Okay. Then I need you to take down one example into your notebook because this one came up in the O level before. So everybody must take down. All of you, I wrote down, your notebook must be on the table. Unless you want to play your O level, then just tell me. Straight away you get out of the class. Okay. Okay. I want all of you to look at question number 20. All of you to look at question number 20. I'm going to draw this thing out. Okay. All of you look at this, huh? An arc PQ of a circle with center O and radius 81 cm subtends an angle of 2 radians at the center. This sector is folded to form a right circular cone so that the arc PQ becomes the circumference of the base. Find the height of the cone. That means, let me just show you something first. Can you see this is a sector? I'm going to show you. All of you look up. Can you see this is a sector? Now, of course, if I join the 2 radius, right, you'll become a cone, right? You understand what I'm talking about? That means the radius becomes the span height. Repeat, huh? If you want to see, then that's your problem, huh? Okay? Can you see this is a sector? When I join this, it becomes a cone, right? Then this one's a circle, right? Can you tell me, can you see this joined together? The span height will be the radius of the circle. Can you see what I'm talking about? This is what they're talking about. Now, it doesn't matter how the sector looks like, it can be like that also. But if I join, that means it becomes a flatter cone. You can see it. Everybody clear with what I'm talking about? That means you fold these 2 joined together, so it becomes the span height like this. Can you see it? Can you see the base is still a circle? Then why need to find this circle? Everybody clear what I'm talking about? Can or cannot? Can, huh? Okay, now I'm going to show you now. This one is folded to be a cone. Okay? That means this is O. Alright? PQ is connected. So this one is how much? 81. Can see it? Everybody clear with what I'm talking about? Everybody clear with what I'm talking about? Okay, now the question says this. The sector is folded to form a right circular cone so that the arc PQ becomes the circumference of the base. Find the height of the cone. Okay? Find the height of the cone means I want to find this height. Everybody clear? Okay, now, first of all, do you agree that when I fold like this whole thing, the area of the sector, the area of the sector will become the curved surface area of the cone. Curved surface area is pi r l, right? Remember? Last time we did it. Curved surface area is pi r l. Okay, all of you now. Area of sector, half r square meter. Okay, can all of you find this out for me first? How many cm square? How many cm square? This is an exact answer.
6561.
6561 cm square, right? Is this correct? I want everybody to keep your mouth shut. Shut your mouth. That means if it becomes this cone, it will only be the closed surface, right? So, pi RL will be 6561, right? Correct? Yes or no? Okay. Pi I know, R I don't know. What's L? 81. How to find R? 6561 divided by pi times 81. Give me to 5 truncate. Again? 25.783. 783, is this correct? Is this correct? Okay, I'm going to draw this again. This radius is 25.783. This slant height is 81. Am I able to find this height? Use what? Use what? Pythagoras theorem. H squared plus 25.783 squared will equal to 81 squared. So H squared what's the answer?
76.7.
Later I will not need it. Just now I just say it again. Again? 76.786. So the height will be 76.8 cm. Is this correct? Now, some people is asking me about the slant, the curved surface area of the hole. Okay, I'm going to revise now. Now, this is a cone, right? Now, if it's a solid cone, that means got curved surface, got base, right? Am I right to say that? Solid cone means got curved surface, got base. So, this will be a pi r squared, which is the base, right? Plus what? Pi rl. Pi rl will be the curved surface. I'm explaining now, and then you don't want to listen, later you ask me again. You're listening? Okay, now, what if it's a party head? Like that. Then got base or not? No base. So what's the surface area? Just pi rl. Everybody clear? Now, the confusion in the O level is this. Hello? People forget that when it's a sector, when I fold like that, the span height is the radius of that sector. Everybody clear? So you must remember this. Everybody okay? So this one, I take it as I do it for you so that you will remember. Everybody clear with what I'm saying? And what do you realize, class? Do you agree that a diagram does help you? Do you agree that a diagram does help you? Okay, so please don't say that, oh, I can remember one. My brain very good. I can imagine. Imagine your head. Some people in the class don't even know that log E is 1. The whole paper, the person write log E, log E, log E, log E, log E. What's the meaning of log E, Joshua? Whole class tell me, what's the meaning of log E? Log what? Log E, E, right? What's log E, E? 1. Just like log A, A is 1. I told you how many times already? This person, I don't know who is it. Joshua, please enlighten the person. The whole paper, divide by log E, divide by log E, divide Understand? I was on the verge of dying when I saw this kind of concept. Okay? Some people, I say draw straight line. You're so clever, right? You're so clever. I'm also very clever one. I don't give up, no? Okay? Let's see who is cleverer. Okay? Now I'm going to give you homework for exercise 8 now. Understand? And I'm going together with you for the first few questions. Okay, what number is it on the content page now? Okay. How many of you still forgot to bring your construction set? Raise your hand. Can you please bring your construction set? I already told you for 1 week already. If you don't bring your construction set, you cannot construct. You don't go to the construction site and build a building. Understand? Okay. What's the number now? 32. Is 31 exercise 8B? 8C we didn't do, right? So now it's 32. Today this is 18. Exercise 8B, can you please put S equals R meter? Straight away write down the formula. Now don't always forget. Cannot pick it. Now that right is the best. Then you look at the thing, you know what you're doing. Exercise 8B. You know the title is the formula to raise, right? So you read, you also know, right? Oh. Now I want these questions 6, 8, 10, 14, 18. I'm going to start together with you. I am going to work down. If you are not turning to exercise 80, which is page 94, okay, and you have no footstep on the table, you are in trouble. Okay? Okay, I don't need anything like that. Okay. Let's start with question 6. I am going to start now. Can you please sketch the diagram? Sketch like that. I don't care what is it, center, okay? Now the question says, show one cuts out the shape PQRS shown in the diagram to make a fan. PQ and RS are arcs of circles with center O and radii 8 cm and 20 cm respectively. Now I want you to indicate. This one is how many cm? 8 cm. How about this one? Radii is the plural for radius. Oh no. Until set 3 then you know. Radius is radius. Plural of radius is radii.
Oh my god, bro.
It's radian, not radii. I think something is wrong with you. You learn locus. That is the location. For example, if I have a point, okay, listen, if I have a point, what will always be 3 cm from this point? That means it's a circle. It will always be 3 cm. Can you see? It's not a straight line, it's a circle. This is called locus of the points. The plural is loci. Not outside. Loci. Okay? So a lot of things you don't know. But it doesn't mean that it doesn't exist. Okay? Okay. No, now I don't want to talk about all these nonsense. Do you know radii is the plural of radius? Yeah. Okay, finish. That's it, done. Okay, don't cut all rubbish already. Then I need to ask people something else. Because next year I'm going to do this. Later people don't know. You know you play game, you have something called a direct. You throw. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Singular is direct. Then plural is dissect. Don't tell me I spell wrongly. Please go and die that kind of thing. Okay? The singular is die, the plural is dice. Understand? Don't tell me I throw a die. Wow, the fellow die already, you know. Then you say spell wrongly. Spell wrongly your head. Yeah?
What all the video?
No! I'm educating everyone. Okay? Alright. As long as you don't have to off the video because they also need to know what is radii, what is loci, what is foci. Alright, this is my channel. I will say it. Alright, let's take a look. What did they say? Given that OPS and OQR are straight lines and the perimeter of PQRS is 83 cm, calculate the angle POQ in radians. That means they want to know what is this. Everybody okay? Now this is not the normal kind of question. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
This is not the normal kind of question. Okay? So I want to look at this question first. Okay? This is question number 6. Okay. Now, this is not a normal question. Now, can I have all of you to call this angle theta? All of you please indicate in your diagram theta. Can you see that the question says the parameter of PQRS is 83 cm? I'm talking to the cloud.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay, now. This is 20 cm, right? May I know how much is this?
Wow.
If this one also don't know, must go back to primary school now. 12, very good.
Not so smart.
Correct? Yes or no? All of you look up. Perimeter is 83 cm. That means it must be up SR plus up PR. What's this? What did I do right? PQ plus 12 plus 12. That is 83, right? I need to know if you understand what I'm saying. All of you look up. This one is not as simple as this. Now, can you see? I will have up SR plus up PQ plus 12 plus 12, then I'll get 83, right? Wow. Okay, even the water bottle cannot take it. Now, you look here. This is theta, right? How do I find the length of this arc? R theta, right? Correct. Can you look at this small circle? The length of this arc PQ is R theta, correct? That means it's 8 theta. Agree, right?
Yes.
If you understand, please raise your hand. Do you understand? Listen carefully. Hey, I'm talking to you. The arc PR is R theta, so it's 8 theta, correct? So this is 8 theta. But what is the length of arc SR?
I mean,
20 theta or 12 theta? 20 theta, right? Because it's R theta. Can you see? This is the important thing. You cannot say, I don't know. You must know. Everybody clear with what I'm talking about? Are you clear with this now? Now, then you tell me, Joe, what I found about 12 or what? Can you tell me what I found about 12 or what? radians. So angle POQ will be 59 over 28 radians, right?
1000学。
Now, can you key your calculator, see if you can reduce to lowest term, or is this already the lowest term? It's already the lowest term. Everybody clear? Everybody okay? This is already the lowest term. Like you say, if I give you the 3650, is it okay? Yes. It's also okay. So you get 2.11. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes or no? Yes. Okay, next. Question number 8. Can I get you to draw the diagram? Okay. Now, excuse me, can I just have your attention?
Yes.
Do you agree that this one is actually quite simple? But if you do not know how to let the angle be something, you will never know how to do it. You will get into trouble. Do you understand? So you must know it. Okay? Cannot we stop the video now? Now, the last